DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is lab. Yeah, man, gang, I saw we there with some more vibe and some banger reactions, you know. You see me, we they are easy and you know? Yeah, man, ready for some mad tune, don't it? Me no wanna miss me, you know. You see me and say, me no wanna miss me. They are though. I drop the bangers, don't it? Just drop a video a while ago. Squash like this, over check it out. You see me and say, but right now, we there with Mr. Sinful. You see me? We got the tunes for the rap bats them. You see me and say, cause today we there with RajahWild, the one named Topalone. No, my bad. RajahWild and Topalone, the one named Believe. You see me and say, gang, I'm gonna check it out and see what dog I do it. I wonder if, wait, hold on, no, kids, easy me know already. But I wonder if I come Believe. Last time me dog come with that song like this, I believe he came with a whole deep meds and you know? Yeah, it's a different side of Raja when the people ain't expect. I wonder if I come with another tune there. You see me come see you them nights, I think I talk about no like, you know what I'm saying? No like sinful or rap batch it. You see what I'm saying? We'll check it out though, gang. We'll see what I go on. You see me? Anyway, but before jumping, make sure you like and subscribe. We're on the way to 10K. You see me? I say, gang, yeah, man, do the right thing, man. Code is life, man. You see me? I say, and I hope you stay in prayer, man. You see me? I say, I hope you keep God in your life. Hope you're taking steps towards your goals and dreams. You see me? Make sure you make every day count. Don't waste no time. Anything you want, you can achieve. Yeah, man. Believe and you will achieve. Facts. But I jump right in the track. RajahWild and Topalone one of them. Believe. See, this song, man, I forget to say song name Believe. Believe and you achieve, man. You see, yeah, believe, no, man. You see me? Yeah, man. RajahWild, Topalone, Believe, let's get it.
Sinful.
Topalone.
I say big up all right guys, say you them. No a good while, we know all no reason.
Come in now, man. Come in, that man. Some mad meds. Me like you beat. They don't want to sound like a reggae beat, but you don't know. You have the deep meds there.
Bro, just out there do it. I couldn't know say life out there for real. You playing loud, you fuck when you move off. You close them, they up there for true that. Through the airport, you have to take a
come in, no, we know, man. You die upon some wholesome meds. You can't feel. Come in.
Playing loud, you fuck when you move off. You close them, they up there for true that. Through the airport, you have to take your shoes off. But me have had a pray for sure you make you move on. Time scarce, dog will soon gone. And when you make your people shed and
true. Man, time scarce, bro. You see me, you're there, no man. One life you have to live, and make use all like that. That's come.
For sure you make you move on. Time scarce, dog will soon gone. And when you make your people shed and show them true fam. So in a life you have to work, you have to feel calm. Cause some pussy will take your kindness for full heart. And we know if you have to ground them. So you believe, can't believe.
That's a fuck. You see me and say you can't, you have to while out here, no, cause people will take your thing for bro, come in, man.
If you have to work, you have to feel calm. Cause some pussy will take your kindness for full heart. And we know if you have to ground them. So you believe, can't believe, move mountains. Believe how you do it without them. Believe that you need. And I tell them nothing, keep your chicks up your sleeve.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. You hear that, youth? You see me still like youth, I'm out there, I always watch my video. I watch my video. Let me tell us. I always tell you anything I believe I can achieve in life, man. I always try to motivate and tell them to go get it. And go get it right now when you're young. You see me? Anything you want, you can get it, man. Nobody tell you otherwise. You see me? Just believe, self-belief, man. Keep God in your heart. Believe in yourself. And we achieve, man. Big man thing. Nobody stop you.
Take your kindness for full heart. And we know if you have to ground them. So you believe, can't believe, move mountains. Believe how you do it without them. Believe that
believe and you will do it without them. Go on, no man, talk truth. No, hey.
So you believe, can't believe, move mountains. Believe how you do it without them. Believe that you need. And I tell them nothing, keep your chicks up your sleeve. Get a youth, believe, can't believe, cure all. Believe I am making for sure that.
Yeah, man. This all I sang them. Raja sing. Them body on a hit song now, but this. I'm my fear. I like the message where dog send to youth. You see me and say, no matter where dog rap, but out. You see me I say? And a sinful out, the dog still try balance the thing out. You see me I say? You make it use and you believe anything you can achieve. That's facts. Hey, this is bad. This is bad. We have to pull that up, man. I'm to you, man.
Believe that you need, and I tell them nothing, keep your chicks up your sleeve. Get the youth believe, cause believe cure all. Believe I am making for sure that. Believe, just believe, things will live.
Down, we don't put no doubt in your heart, man. What you mean?
Then stay same way looking, I show them. I be a brick, Billy house them. Come like it's the same way I did and I hold them. Cause they divas the shit on the road them. We illegal, but them know so.
Where that talk about walla.
Things will live. London stay same way looking, I show them. I be a brick, Billy house them. Come like it's the same way I did and I hold them. Cause they divas the shit on the road them. We illegal, but them know so we are smoking. So fuck them, I would do weed.
Man say, yo, England look just like you seen I show them a bricks be like can I hold them and I can agree with that. Man say all bloodly weed illegal over there, but you don't know how to smoke it. You still do a thing and fine with thing.
They give me more blame, more potent, so them have to show me homage. Alright, so you believe God.
We are smoke head, we're potent. So them have to pay with homage. Hey, yo, go on man. Me.
So fuck them, I would do weed, they give me more blame, more potent, so them have to show me homage. Alright, so you believe, cause believe move mountains. Believe how you do it without them. Believe that you need, and I tell them nothing, keep your chicks up your sleeve. Get the youth believe, cause believe cure all. Believe I am making for sure that.
Yeah man, believe and you make it. You see me? No matter what situation you're in right now, you see me? Yeah, your current situation do not define you. You see me and say, how you do about it? You see me and say, gang, you can make it out of any situation you're in. You see me?
Just believe, things will live. Millions, money are the matter. Chase it back, and you see pussy follow. Bitches are the least, we swing the pussy pan you. If I no money, panic call, they don't know for young up. Never falling, never hang up. Family come on, man up.
Yeah, money are the matter. When you get the money, yeah, everything.
Money are the matter. Chase it back, and you see pussy follow. Bitches are the least, we swing the pussy pan you. If I no money, panic call, they don't know for young up. Never falling, never hang up. Family come on, man up. Never put on your defense, pussy them a plan up. Never make them get the one
never
up.
Put on your defense, you know, them a plan up, you know, them a plot for you. You see me, they want you don't, hey.
Even make them strong up. Better you knock it on them for
don't know, you know? As long as God there by your side, no weapon fired against I shall prosper. I want to them.
Left them in a believe, cause believe move mountains. Believe how you do it without them. Believe that you need, and I tell them nothing, keep your chicks up your sleeve. Get the youth believe, cause believe cure all. Believe I am making for sure that. Believe, just believe.
Yeah man, big tune this man, big tune this. Rajah, big up your damn self.
Just believe, things will live. Believe, cause believe cure all. Sinful, I mean say yo tapper.
Appa.
Knock it on them, man. Rapper.
I'm telling man. RajahWild, big up yourself, man. Message to the youths, man. How that Briscoe?
Yeah, they beat.
Briscoe, where they tune them that time? Briscoe, yo, he's an artist. I don't know, no. I don't know why I'm Briscoe an artist. Yeah, drop some tune, man.
Like a rapper. I like. Believe. Sinful.
Dog, balance out thing though. You see me, say? Yeah, man, to all our youths them out there, you see me? To all our youths them, young people, grown people, adults, elderly, you see me, from you watch my video, you see me, just believe, man. You see me, anything you want, you can achieve, it's never too late. You see me, I say, go get it. You see me, I say, put in the work, man. You see me, it's a work out. Just, you see me, you have a dream, just set a plan, you know. Without a plan, it's just a dream, you know. Just set a plan, man, I'm going to execute. One by one, you know, don't try to do everything in one go, you know, just little by little. You see me, I say, if you can't take one little step, you see me, just, you know, You see me? Creep. You know, crawl. You see me? Yeah, man, you can take a step, man. And then you take a step, you can. You see me? A couple more steps. You can jog, you can run. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, just do it, man. You see me? 1% every day. Eventually, you get that 100%. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, put in work, bro. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, believe, man. For real. Yeah, man, RajahWild, big up yourself for the one, the dog. You see me? As much as the dog sing them, you know? Dark song there. You see me? Kind of ignorant, people would say. And still, you know what I'm saying? Still a bad artist and a real good artist. You see me? Dog still balance everything. He drop some positive thing every now and then. You see me? I say? Even though, you know, some in tune them, even though they might dark, also positive as well. Give a good vibe. And, you know what I say? Yeah. But anyway, I know one thing about the gang. If you like, definitely go show the artists on love and support, make you know, say, the dance send. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going, all that good stuff. Gang? Yeah, man, let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You see me, I say? Yeah. Also, on the road to 10K, right now we're only 300 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. So, I appreciate you hitting that like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit that before Christmas and New Year's. If you do that, yeah, it'll be a great Christmas, New Year's, and birthday gift. You see me, I say, gang? So, I appreciate y'all, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. You're done active. Dan Mafia, I appreciate y'all. You see me, I say? Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.